Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Thomasville local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking for the best cheap Thomasville moving company? Look no further than 3 Movers. We offer the best local and long-distance moving services for your needs. Our team can help you move your dorm room, house, apartment, condo, business, furniture, or anything else you need to move. Your long-distance move can become so much easier with the following options we offer. Packing services. We give you the packing and unpacking services you need to ensure your move is super simple. Moving supplies. Getting the right supplies and materials for your packing will ensure your things are better protected. An on-time move. You can enjoy a moving day without delay or cancellation when you choose to work with us. Upfront pricing. Get an accurate and upfront quote from us before you choose to hire us for your move. Licensed and insured. There is no reason to worry with us, as your things will all be fully protected. When you choose to hire us for your long-distance move, you get a team dedicated to making your move easier. We take the stress out of relocating 100 miles away or further. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Thomasville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.